The great meme reset is happening, but the brain rot kids are fighting back. They've launched phase 2 of their brain rot invasion, and they're out here spamming 6-7 like it's some kind of nuclear code. They're literally trying to stop the reset mid-operation. Petitions, group chats, secret Discord meetings. It's insane. They think they can keep the brain rot memes alive, but they have no idea who they're dealing with. So I came up with a genius plan to end the brain rot once and for all. Here's the only way it works. Everyone watching this video has to remix it. Every single person. No excuses. If you don't, the brain rot kids are going to keep spamming their nonsense, and the memes will never reset. If we all do this, the reset will complete. All brain rot will be destroyed, and the memes will finally go back to their rightful place. So do your part. Remix this video. Destroy the counterattack. Save the memes. The reset is in your hands.